You may think, oh, there's a lot of carrot there. In comparison to the size of my thumb, no, not really. Plus, there's two of them. Don't know where Bob is right now. Hang on. Bob is just hanging around at the back, underneath at the back. You can't see him, but at the back right, he's underneath there. And I'm, giving them a full clean out tomorrow, so they won't eat half of it, but it's just there for them, so if they want some, they can have some. And even if they do stash any away, it'll all be thrown away tomorrow evening, because I'm working during the day, aren't I? Aren't I, Bill? Yes, Bill. Fucking hell. You like spinach, don't you, mate? Oh, it's something variety and healthy. Anyway, that's all for tonight. And the only reason I got this over them, not over fully, because they're right by the window, so you get a draft, and it is winter. It's gone. Bye.